for your time and coming here to the presentation. It was a very big tournament. We almost 40 teams participated in the morning league, and it was a great success. I will give the mic to Mr. Asif, and he will start the prize distribution ceremony. Thank you.
थोड़ा आप करीब आ जाओ। हाँ बस आपको मिल जाएगा इसका फोटो डाउन मुश्किल है। चलिए स्वागत करते हैं हम आपका। एंजल स्पोर्ट्स के लीग में।
Okay, guys, good evening. Thanks a lot for coming. Out of 36 teams, we had top 4 in each division, which means 12 teams have qualified. Okay, so it was really hard work being put for the past 2 months, and you guys deserve to be runners or winners of the third position. Please give a big clap for you guys. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the players with the most valuable player award, individual player awards, then followed by the divisions of the third place, fourth place, runners and the champions. That is how the format will go about. So to start with, the most valuable player will be getting 100 riyals cash along with jersey and a trophy. And this goes to Ilyas Ahmed from Moroccan Stars.
बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस।
Can we hear for Ilyas, please?
Ilyas, best performer of the tournament.
ये ट्रॉफी अभी ऊपर रखो एक।
Okay, thanks, Ilyas. I think you need to stay back because he again deserves the best batter, the most runs scored in the match tournament, which he is being presented with a bat and a trophy. Congrats. Can we hear for Ilyas, please?
आसिफ भाई ज़्यादा इधर आना।
और धुआंधार बैटिंग करना,
चश्मा लगाती।
बहुत रन बनाना।
Thank you. So now we proceed to the most wickets. So the most wickets will be given a shoes and a trophy, which goes to Richard from Daffodils. Okay, now it comes to the fielding. So this includes the total of catches taken as well as run-outs, stumpings, all including. So on points basis, it goes to Nizmi Zahavir from No Signal. So he gets a wicket-keeper gloves and a trophy. So if Nizmi is not there, okay, we'll give it to him. Thank you. Now let's go to the man of the matches. So the man of the match for third position, Division C, will go to Mohammad Khalifa from Rehan Rangers. He has scored 34 runs and 4 wickets. So Rehan Rangers is not there, so we'll be providing him the medal later. Now we move on to the Division C Man of the Match in the winners and the runners up, Okay, for the finals, it goes to Division C, Nishantan Masilamani from Doha Knights, Man of the Match, 85 runs with 1 catch. So Nishantan will get a medal. Congrats. Okay, the third position, Man of the Match, is from Malaccan Stars, goes to Division D, Aziz Abrar, 61 runs with 1 wicket. So he will get a trophy. So the Man of the Match finals, Division B, goes to Hafnaz Ups from Mustopolis, 102 runs. So he'll get a trophy. Okay, so the third position, Man of the Match Division A, goes to Mohammad Sakir from Icon CC, 58 runs, 2 wickets and 3 catches. So Icon CC is not here, so we'll give it later. So Man of the Match finals for Division A goes to Daffodils Rishad with 3 wickets. Okay, so now let's move on to the bigger trophies, which is the 4th, 3rd, runners-up and the champions. So Division C, the 4th place goes to Willow Breakers, where they will receive a trophy. I guess Willow Breakers are not here, so we'll be providing him. So Division B, the 4th place goes to No Signal. So they are also not here, we'll be providing them. Division A as well, the 4th place goes to Park Markia trophy and the 300 Real cash. So Park Markia will also collect from the Angel stores. Moving on to the 3rd place, Division C, again the team is not here. So this is Rehan Rangers, they will be getting a trophy. And Division D is Malaccan Stars with trophy and a cash prize of 400. So Malaccan Stars can come. Okay, moving on to Division A, the 3rd place goes to Icon CC, who will receive a trophy and 750 cash. So Icon CC not here, they will be collecting it later. Moving on to Division C, runners-up. So Division C runners-up is A1 cricketers, will receive a trophy and 250 Riyals of cash. Okay, so moving on to Division B, runners-up goes to 11 brothers with a trophy and a cash of 850 riyals. Please, can we clap? Okay, so moving forward with the runners-up of Division A goes to Royal Qatar with a trophy of 1,500 cash. Royal Qatar here. Yeah, please. Can we clap, please?
बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस बोर्ड निकाल दो थोड़ा. So now it's the time for trophy of the champions. Okay, we move on to the champions. This is for Division C. So the Division C champions goes to Doha Night CC, the trophy and 500 riyal cash. Can we hear for Doha Night CC, please? Thank you, congrats. So now we move on to the champions of Division D, which goes to Pushtapolis. This is with trophy and 1,200 riyals of cash. Congrats. Can we hear for them, please? चालू नहीं किया तो ले क्या करेगा.
Congrats, police. Okay, I think the history of Angel Sports, this is the first time they are giving such a big trophy. Okay, so which goes to the Division A champions, Daffodils, with the trophy and 2,250 riyals of cash. Congrats.
See ya. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Big smile. Yeah, thank you. See ya.
हाँ मैंने उसको
चलो जल्दी करो.
Okay, so that is the end of the presentation, what we have. So whoever's weekly performance, we have got the trophies here. So whoever is not collected from the stores, so the weekly performance is already being sent out in the group, yeah? Look into the group. If your team members are there in the weekly performance, you can collect the trophies, yeah? So I believe you have really enjoyed the tournament. We look forward for you guys in the upcoming ASG tournaments as well, yeah? Thank you, thanks a lot.
Thanks for choosing Angel Sports.
Right. Let's arrange them एक
all guys will take one